Howdy freeze dryers, I'm super excited about today's video because I think that I have stumbled upon the newest freeze-dried snack sensation. This could possibly be one of the weirdest things that I've ever freeze-dried. It's not sushi, and it's not salmon or tuna. These are freeze-dried red hot cinnamon pickles. You're going to need some cucumbers, a half a gallon or a gallon of water, a little pickling lime, some alum powder, some mason jars. You're also gonna need some white vinegar, some cinnamon red hot candies, some white sugar, some cinnamon sticks, and you can also use some red food coloring, or you can get creative with our previous video that shows you how to do natural freeze-dried red food coloring. First thing we wanna do is cut our cucumbers into pickle sizes. I'm gonna do sticks of cucumbers. You can also do medallions, and I've also seen people do chunks of pickles. You're then gonna take your pickle spears and put them in to a mason jar. You can get these really full, and we're gonna cover these with a liquid that we're gonna make next. So for reference, I'm gonna make a half batch today. 6 cucumbers that did 3 mason jars full of spears and medallions. Next, we're gonna mix a half a gallon of water, and we're gonna dissolve half of a cup of pickling lime in with the water. And I'll put a link for this pickling lime in the description of the video. Mix this in and dissolve it with a whisk. Then we're gonna take that liquid and we're gonna fill each one of these jars. Oh man, that works great. Make sure all the pickles are submerged, and then we're gonna cap these. And then we're gonna refrigerate them for 24 hours. Then we're gonna drain the pickles. We're gonna rinse them off and add them to a large container. Then fill the container back up with water. You wanna make sure all of the pickles are covered, and you're gonna let those soak for 3 hours, and then you wanna drain those off. Then for our red hots mixture, we want a half and half liquid of half vinegar, half water. Your total should be 1.25 cups. Then you wanna add your box of red hots. This one's 5.5 ounces. You're gonna let those sit, and then you will stir them every once in a while once they start to dissolve and the mixture will start to turn red. Now you're gonna drain your cucumbers, add them to a large pot. You're gonna put 1/4 cup of white vinegar into a jar. You're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of alum powder. Stir it up until it's dissolved. Pour that mixture over your pickles, and then you're gonna fill up this pot with water until your pickles are covered. We're gonna go medium heat. We're going to cover it until it comes up to a boil. Then it's gonna simmer for 2 hours. You can also add some red food coloring at this time, but we are going to add this cinnamon hot mixture in on the next step. So it will get some red color from this if you don't want to use red food coloring. You can also reference one of our videos that we did a while back about natural freeze-dried food coloring, and you could add some natural freeze-dried food coloring too, maybe some beets or something like that to get that red color. About 30 to 40 minutes before your pickles are done, you can start getting your syrup mixture together. That's just gonna be the red hot mixture that you put together earlier. So your red hots may or may not be dissolved. And if you think you need more liquid than this, just do half and half vinegar and water. You're gonna add 3/4 cup of sugar to this, and then 2 cinnamon sticks. We're gonna bring this up to a boil, and you want to be stirring this because you want all of that sugar, and if there's red hots left, you want that all to dissolve. You're gonna have a syrupy liquid, and we're gonna use that to pour over the cucumbers. Now drain the pickles, put them back into the pot, and then you're gonna take your syrup mixture and you're gonna cover the pickles. Give it a good mix. Make sure that there is liquid on most of the pickles. I'm gonna cover it and go into the fridge 8 hours or overnight. Then we're gonna drain off the pickles, keep the liquid, and then we're gonna bring that back up to a boil again. And then we're going to pour back over the pickles and refrigerate for another 24 hours. And we're gonna do this a couple times. Then drain off the liquid again. Boil the cinnamon red hots liquid again. Soak and refrigerate for another 8 to 24 hours. Now we're almost done. We're just gonna bring this whole mixture up to a boil. One more time. Now these are ready. So if we want to continue the pickling process, then you would go into jars with this and then let those sit for about 24 to 48 hours to continue pickling. Because we are freeze drying and these already have a really nice crunch to them and they've already been soaking multiple times, and I'm an impatient person, I think we're just gonna drain these off and put them onto freeze dryer trays and start freeze drying. I'm gonna let these sit for a while just to drain off as much moisture as possible before we put them onto freeze dryer trays. And you can see we have some nice red color, red cinnamon hot pickles. You'll notice that I left some spacing in between these because these are a high sugar item. I don't know how much they're going to expand in the freeze dryer. Hopefully not a ton, but just in case, we'll give them some space. I'm gonna lid these. I'm gonna put them in the freezer so we can pre-freeze, and then we will go into the freeze dryer. I can already see the comments section that these are high vinegar. Some people say that vinegar is not good for your vacuum pump. I personally have never had any problems with it. I would recommend probably changing your oil after you do something that's high vinegar like this. That way it will get rid of any vinegar that actually could potentially get into the oil or the vacuum pump. But do your own research on this and do it at your own risk. Frozen cinnamon Red Hot's pickles going in to the freeze dryer. Here they are, all freeze dried. Great news is they did not expand and they actually freeze dried rather well for high sugar content. They shriveled quite a bit. You can see that especially on the medallion pickles. Really interesting finished product. They have a nice crunch. Lots of Red Hot cinnamon flavor, but also a pickle flavor as well. And while these are a lot of work up front, these could potentially be my new favorite freeze-dried snack. And I've had these both ways, freeze-dried and not freeze-dried, and I've got to say I like the freeze-dried better. A lot of times freeze-drying will bring out better flavors. They can also tone flavors down. I don't know if it's just my mixture that I used, but this is not overpowering Red Hot flavor. It's also not overpowering sugar. There's a nice balance of pickle and Red Hot flavor. I highly recommend you try freeze-dried Red Hot cinnamon pickles for yourself. Happy freeze drying. Hey, are you unlocking your full potential as a freeze dryer? If you're not signed up for the freeze drying community email list, you're missing out on pro freeze drying tips and freeze dryer giveaways, the latest sales, inspirational people in the freeze drying community, as well as invaluable food storage recipes. And most important, unlocking your inner freeze drying guru. Click the first link in the description to get signed up.